Guys, Grok AI updates their AI model every day. In fact, I love what Grok AI is coming up with right now. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Grok AI with CapCut and create this baby dancing trending video you are seeing right here. I created this video using Grok AI and CapCut. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do something like this. And without wasting much of your time, let's go dive into it. So the first thing you are going to do is to head over to Grok AI. You click on Grok AI. If you don't have Grok AI on your phone, make sure you install Grok AI. Now, after you log into Grok AI, you click on Image up here. When you click on Image up here, the next thing you are going to do, make sure you paste this prompt. If you need this prompt, you let me know. I'll be leaving down this prompt on my Telegram channel. So you just need to do is just to get prompt. Then the next thing you are going to do is to select here. Then we are going to select our aspect ratio. So we are selecting this TikTok, that is 9.16. After we put it on 9.16, we go back. The next thing we are going to do is to click on generate. And when you click on generate, Grok AI is going to generate the image for us. Now, as you can see, we have different type of image here. I prefer this one here. This one here, we click on download. And this image is going to be downloaded to our phone. Now, after you download the image, the next thing you are going to do is to head over to CapCut. Let's head over to CapCut app. This is CapCut. I'll click on CapCut. Now, this is CapCut. The next thing you are going to do when you come to CapCut like this, your interface, you click on new video. When you click on new video, you upload that image. That image we just downloaded a moment ago. This is the image. As you guys can see, this is the image. We click on add. Now, when you add the image, the next thing you are going to do is to tap on the image. Now, when you tap on the image, you are going to highlight the image. You make it a long video like this. Now, when you make it long, the next thing you are going to do is to scroll side here. You scroll side and you search for motion. As you can see, mimic motion here. You tap on it. Now, when you tap on it, you click on agree. Now, when you click on agree, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. As you guys can see, it's saying recognizing. So you just give it some minutes. Now, when it give it some minutes like this, just give it some minutes. It's going to recognize everything. Just give it some minutes. Now, the next thing you are going to do, as you can see, say reference video. So if you have reference video on your phone, I've shown you guys on my previous video how you can get reference video. So the next thing you are going to do is to click on reference video. Select reference, you click on add. So I have this video on my phone. This video, I want to use this video. The video is too long. As you can see, video too long. Video too long, make it shorter. So it's telling us that this video is too long. So let's go and short this video. Let me go to my gallery. Go to my phone gallery. Sorry, this is my image. This is the video. So let's click on edit. We click on edit. So we are going to cut this video. We are going to trim the video. Let's trim it for some seconds. Let's say use 14 seconds or let's say 12 seconds. Let's trim the video. Now, after we trim the video, as you can see, it's saving. Now, the video has been saved. Now, let's go back to CapCut and let's go back. Guys, I know you enjoy watching this video, but have you subscribed to this YouTube channel? If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now, let's go continue with our video. Again, so that we add the video again, we click on upload video. Now, this is the video up here. We select the video and we click on next. After we click on next, the video is recognizing. As you can see, the video is uploading. So let's give it some minutes. Now the video has uploaded. So as you can see, if you have multiple videos, when you want to use multiple people, you select the first one. But if you want moving, as you can see, ID for the pet and character acting. Now ID for the miss, as you can see, upgrade model for replacing the object. And so the one you're supposed to choose is this 1.5. As you can see, this 1.5. You click on it. Now, when you click on the next thing you're going to do is to click on generate. Now, when you click on generate, you give it some minutes and it's going to start generating. As you can see, generating motion. So it's going to, everything on that video is going to put it on this image and you guys are going to see the results. Let's just give it some minutes and it's going to get it done. So meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button right now so that when next we drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Now let's give you some minutes, and after you complete the video, I'm going to play the video so that you guys are going to see how the results look like. Now our result has been ready. Our result is ready. So let me play it so that you guys can see. This is the result. I don't want to play the sound because of copyright, but this is the result. As you guys can see, this is the result. This is it. So this is how you can do it. Let me play it some little more time. Let me play with some simple, like 1 second sound, so that you guys are going to listen to the sound. So that is it. So let me load the volume again because I don't want to get copyright. You know, some music have copyright. So this is how it is. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that when next we drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on our next video.